buffalo link. There we go. Hey guys, Stacey here. Although you know that, I'm at Windsor. I'm going to try this lightning buffalo link. There's a grand, but if you look up there at that super grand, I haven't ever seen this particular super grand quite that high. So, you know, got to give it a shot. 25 cent denomination, $25 a spin. Let's see what it is at 50. Oh, that would have been nice. Coins. Oh, come on. Dang. Would have had some of that last row. We are here this weekend for it's not really a slot tournament. It's called the high limit spins at Park MGM. What it does is we earn points, and then Saturday, we go to Park MGM, and once an hour they pick somebody who gets to do a high limit spin on every single a max bet high limit spin on every single machine in the high limit room. So we have seen people win a ton on that, and we figured that's going to make an awesome video. So we are crossing our fingers that we'll be lucky enough to have our names drawn. It's funny, is last time we came and did this, we're sitting there and they go, Gregory Smith. So we kind of had to laugh about that one. Come on, come on, Buffalo Link. There we go. They're baby ones, but all we gotta do is fill the street for $21,000, right? Drop me a super grand little coin. Minor, $5,000. Oh my gosh. Yay. That's a $5,000 minor. Oh my gosh. All right. Come on, baby. $54.75 on a $25 bet. You just get it. Nice. $55,475. That's breaking the seal on our Aria trip. We'll get this paid down and be back. All right, guys, that was fun. That was $54.75. So let's see what we can do again here. Come on. Oh my gosh, that minor landed again. lost some. So we're gonna cash out here, move on and try something else. This is Lightning Buffalo Link at Aria. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, we are at Aria. Found a new Bao-Zoo-Zao-Fu. It's the Ultra Spins, double up and extra spins. We think this one is new in here. So we've got $1,349. I'm not gonna bet 500 bucks. Look at these bets down here, guys. Up to $500 a spin. So let's get rid of that glare and let's win something here. 50 bucks a spin to start. There we go. Get some music going. Come on, Ultra Spins. You need some? Oh, come on. Come on now. Twice in a row.
It's my magic clutch.
I thought we had it. Did it change the denomination or anything, or? Come on. I don't know. I guess it just said Greg changed the denomination. All right, guys, you can see, doesn't matter how big those firecrackers are. All right, we're gonna take our 19 bucks, move on and try something else. Thanks for watching. Guys, so this was right after I walked away. Greg put some money in, hit it for $100, and guess what happened? He got the spin, so we're gonna let him press the buttons.
I guess if we get this, then we get all three.
I guess right now we have Ultra and the double up. We've got both of those. Come on now, something good.
I only thought I had the Ultra, but that's good with the double up too.
Ultra spins, double up, and 4 more coins.
I don't really know what that means. Yeah, 4,000. All right, $100 a spin. Come on, Greg.
So it's gonna add 4 more, right?
Yeah, I guess so.
Do something big.
Yeah, 4,000 would have been much better. All right, let's drop a word.
The Ultra got the birds to fall across. Land one up on the top. Holy shit. That's crazy.
Come on. Keep it alive. Greg.
You and me both.
But the good news is that's our first jackpot of the trip. So he got back what I won, or what I lost, plus a little bit. $2,200 on a Firecracker Game. All right, guys, I'll be back. Hey guys, Stacey here. We are at Aria. I'm gonna try some Huff and even more Puff, just something fun to get us going. 800 bucks in here, so we'll play 20, 40 bucks a spin, see what we can do. Greg's playing beside me, so maybe, just maybe, one of us will get lucky. We want to see that tail shake up there. Yeah, see the, oh, come on. Really would love to see a gold saw to start our trip. I haven't even seen a tail. Oh, I thought you had it. Do you have a tip for her? Thank you, appreciate it. All right, one of us needs to get a bonus, Greg. Mine's not even teasing me.
Never really tease you, or just give it to you. It's gonna give it to you.
All right, Greg's got the feature. We're gonna go watch his. Save my wager saver.
Stop it. Come on, give me the grand or the upgrade. Dang it.
Thank you for his feature. What's wrong with that one?
It's my least favorite one.
My least favorite's a
Other than
mini.
the mini.
3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It smells like shit.
Come on, hard up.
Oh, somewhere where there's a gold one. Good trigger. Oh.
Oh, yeah, that same exact pattern.
Come on.
last one.
All right. Well, I lost some. Greg won some. We're gonna cash that over 900 on Huff and even more Puffet Aria. Thanks for watching, guys.